Hey everyone, for this Monday's video we're going to test out a couple YouTube features. We tried a live stream and I think it failed utterly, so we've just probably deleted that by now. But we're going to put a poll into here where you can actually answer some questions. So we'll see how well that works. So I think the question we're going to ask is just, would you like to see like a long live stream on here? I'm thinking maybe one day I'll just do something crazy, like 12 straight hours of gardening, all live streamed, if I can figure out how to do the live streaming. If we do that, it'll be probably later into the spring, but unsure yet of what the plan will be. But that'll be the poll question. I'm sure it'll be phrased a little bit differently when I actually put it in the poll, but you can test out that feature and we'll see how it works, since that will be the first time I'm using this new polling feature. But for the channel overall, I did want to give you a quick update. We have our peas that we said we were putting in way too early, and indeed it's well under freezing. And as you can see, there's no real peas growing. Not a lot there. We do have some seeds starting inside, and that's about it for the garden right now. So let us know if there's other stuff you would like us to cover, and we'll continue to have our Best Garden series on Wednesday and our reviews of products and giveaways on Friday. So check those both out as well. Just a short update for you today. If you're not already subscribed, please do so. It helps us a lot. We're trying to really push the subscribers this season. And like this video if you like kind of this casual style. We look forward to growing with you.